It may not have felt like it, but today the high temperature was only 87. I mean, that's a degree cooler than the average high of 88. It's the humidity that made it feel so much hotter, but at least we were well below record territory. And today, the coolest temp since May 11th. Now, as we look ahead to tomorrow, the day after that, and Thursday, we're right back into the mid, maybe even upper 90s, but a big difference. You know how muggy it is outside right now? Tomorrow morning, we're gonna have a cold front come through. At this point, it's looking less and less likely that we're gonna see any rain with it overnight. Tomorrow's sunshine, lower humidity, so it'll be hot, but not humid. We're gonna keep really nice humidity through Wednesday. After that, winds turn back out of the south, then air you can wear surges back in a real hurry, bringing us our next storm chance and more muggy weather by Thursday. Outside right now, it's nice, 81 degrees, but yes, it still feels like 86 degrees. Out in Mason, you're at 82, 80 in Giddings, 80 degrees, meanwhile, in LaGrange. And we're basically just waiting to see, might there be a storm? Today, the cap held firm. And even though technically there's still a level 1 of 5 severe thunderstorm threat, even the high-res computer models have pretty much said, meh, it's not happening. This dry line just isn't likely to trigger anything for us, although there's been lots of severe weather, North Texas, Red River, into Arkansas and Oklahoma. Cold front, meanwhile, is going to be quick on the heels of the dry line. So here's how things are going to play out. Much drier, less humid air coming in. It's going to feel much more comfortable. Hour by hour forecast. We start to around midnight, still cloudy, muggy, uncomfortable. First thing in the morning, refreshing air moving into the hill country. If you walk outside around 6 a.m. in Austin, you'll still think it's kind of yucky. If you walk outside a little later, you'll say, wow, it feels really nice outside. 87 by midday, already equivalent to today's high temperature. Afternoon highs, yep, in the upper 80s to mid 90s, but at least the humidity will give us a break, if only for a day. And then as we head on into early Wednesday, even nicer still, some locations might be closer to 60 to 65 degrees. That's our one-day respite in terms of the heat. As I already mentioned to you, on Thursday, we bring back the rain chances, and then also for the all-important holiday weekend. We know by now that Memorial Day weekend is notorious for bringing us storms. It's like right now.